Hey, what's up? Welcome to a new video how unique and great humans can be. So today we're going to meet some very awesome people who have an absolutely unique and amazing skin color and look.
The anxiety, it's not necessarily what it looks like.
What would be considered normal due to some kind of genetic anomaly? So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We will see 5 girls with the most unique skin colors and look in the world.
Number 5. Naya Kim Gatway. Hollywood will probably make an Oscar-winning film about the story of this girl someday, and her name is Naya Kim Gatway.
I decided not to nickname you Queen of Dark. I was just going down on my Twitter feed and I seen in one of the articles saying that
She spent her entire childhood in refugee camps and her family ended up there after fleeing Sudan. When she turned 14, the girl moved to the US and finally found out what life is like in peace and safety. However, she couldn't enjoy peaceful life for long because Naya Kim was very different from her classmates at school. The teenage girl was often called the most unpleasant nicknames. Needless to say, this brought great suffering to Naya Kim, who dreamed of becoming a model since childhood. The cruelty of those around her knew no bounds, and the girl that even decided to lighten her skin as some African women do. But fortunately, her sister, who done a similar operation long before that and regretted it, managed to talk to Naya Kim. Out of this, Naya Kim promised herself not to give up no matter how much others insulted her. She worked hard towards her goal, and her efforts paid off now. The girl is one of the most famous models in the world, and her attractive skin tone has become her signature feature. Her collaboration with such popular brands as Calvin Klein or Cosmopolitan only proves this. Number 4. Massey Couron. What is the most important thing for any prestigious model? Long legs, of course, but if they are too long, this can become a problem. Meet 17-year-old Massey Couron from Austin, who jokingly calls herself CEO of Giraffe. The girl's left leg is just over 52 inches long and her right leg is half an inch longer.
In a way, I kind of didn't realize I was taller than everyone. I really didn't see myself as different.
All of this helped her secure a Guinness World Record title and made her a celebrity on social media. But things weren't always like that. A few years ago, the girl couldn't boost such self-confidence and an army of loyal fans on the internet. Not only did she keep getting weird looks from people in any public place, her gigantic height of more than 6.5 feet made her life like a real hell. You can't fit through doorways, cars and planes seem too cramped, and they just don't make clothes for a size like that. On the other hand, Massey was a star on a school volleyball team. So over time, she decided that her height doesn't make her inferior to others, but on the contrary, it's a gift from the nature. Number 3. Beatriz Pugliese. Beatriz Pugliese, charming Beatriz from Brazilian Sao Paulo, has long been accustomed to the fact that in any public place, people gaze at her. The reason for this is the many navy of different sizes that cover 80% of her body and make her skin look patchy. This is a very rare condition that affects 1 in 5 lakh newborns. When Beatriz was a kid, she and her mother were consulted by an inadequate pediatrician. The doctor told the girl she needed 2 surgeries a year, not knowing that trying to remove navy is incredibly dangerous. It can lead to cancer at some point. When Beatriz was already a teenager, she decided to refuse the surgery. She realized that she no longer wanted to change. Thanks to the support of her family, the girl accepted herself once. Today, Beatriz works as a biologist, lives with her beloved husband Philip, and even regularly meets people who suffer from the same disease and seek support. Number 2. Kathleen the Jesus. One day, the artistic director of a large modeling agency, Joel Pedro Sampaio, was wandering around in a supermarket in the center of the picturesque Brazilian city of Niterói. Suddenly, he noticed a girl he would never seen anyone like her before. This girl was 11-year-old Kathleen, a carrier of a rare hereditary disease, Waardenburg syndrome. The girl is completely deaf but has a very unique appearance, a combination of dark skin and bright eyes of a deep sapphire color. So he approached Kathleen and her mother and asked to arrange a photo session for the child. He posted the photos on his Facebook page, and in a week, 2 photos gathered more than 100 likes and a whole bunch of reports. Now, Kathleen officially works for a prestigious model agency, gets a lot of love from fans on social media and seems to be happy. Number 1. Nastya Zhitkova. Nastya Zhitkova is 24 years old and she is from Russia, and she currently holds the unofficial title of the palest person in the world.
I don't know, for me, the fashion things, it's about your self-feeling.
She has amassed over 136,000 followers on her Kiko-chan Instagram account. She got into modeling by way of cosplaying Japanese anime characters. Nastya is currently a model in film, which is Model International. If she actually was the palest person, after all, when I saw her, I was under the impression that I was seeing a porcelain sculpture. In fact, her absolutely soft and her perfect skin is the reason for her other unofficial title, the most beautiful albino woman in the world. Her face really looks like it was sculpted by the hands of some mega artistic master, and her blue eyes definitely helped complete the picture. But although nastiest beauty tip, she is widely recognized for her unique look, like something out of a fantasy story. It's not actually her most important trait. Nastya is in fact a composer of music. It is her greatest talent, and she is pretty good what she does. Her YouTube music videos often become viral over social networks in Russia, thanks to her great talent.